माया कल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि पेज नंबर 378। What is the tarka?
विश्वं यदि कल्पितं स्यात् तदा सप्रधानं स्यात्।
विश्वम यदि कल्पितम स्यात् तदा सप्रधानम स्यात्. In other words, what is sapradhanam?
प्रयोजकं.
No. What is the meaning of sapradhanam?
पूर्व अध्यस्त वस्तु. पूर्व अध्यस्त वस्तु.
पूर्व अध्यस्त वस्तु. Not पूर्व अध्यस्त. पूर्व सत्य वस्तु means a satya vastu is required, then you can do kalpana of adhyasa. Like there is real sarpa, so then you do sarpa adhyasa on rajju. There is real rajata. Real means of adhika satta. Whatever is the adhyasa satta compared to that adhika satta. So if adhyasa is pratibhasika, adhika satta is vyavaharika. If you say vyavaharika vishwa is adhyasta, then there has to be a paramarthika vishwa. That is the meaning of sapradhanam. Tika, badhena, second last line. Badhena hi kinchid viruddham. So adhishthanam of this avidya cannot be avidya karya. Adhishthanam of avidya cannot be avidya karya. Padena hi kinchid viruddham tattvam upadarshayata aropitam atatvam badaniyam. Tattvam upadarshayata, the one who sees tattvam, he will do bada of atattvam. Means the adhishthanam has to be satyam. The one who sees the satya adhisthana will do the bada of aropita, which is atattvam. Aropitam atattvam badaniyam. If I don't see a real adhisthana of greater reality compared to what is adhyastha, how will I do bada of that adhyastha? And if adhisthana is also adhyastha only, is also of same degree of reality as what is अध्यस्त, both are adhyas. Ubhaya adhyase to king kena vadhyata. If adhisthana is also unreal, adhyasa is also unreal, then who will do bada of what? King kena vadhyata. अतः एव भगवता भाष्यकारेण सत्यानृते मिथुनीकृत्य इति उक्तम. Therefore, Bhagavan Bhashyakar, he said, Satya Anrite Mithnikritya. Not both are asat. One has to be Satya, another will be Anrita. Then there is Adhyasa possible. Nanu etat prapancha asadhyartha क्रियाकारिणः प्रपंचांतरस्य अभावेन स्वोचित अर्थक्रियाकारिणो अस्य न मिथ्यात्वम् इति चेत् ननु एतत् प्रपंच असाध्यार्थ प्रपंच असाध्य अर्थ क्रियाकारिणः प्रपंचांतरस्य अभावेन स्व उचित अर्थक्रियाकारिणो अस्य न मिथ्यात्वम्. पूर्व पक्ष says, if there is a prapancha which is capable of, prapancha means this jagat, which is capable of doing some arthakriya, then you have to accept it as satya. That which is not available for arthakriya karitvam, like the shukti rupya. Shukti rupya is not available for creating any ornaments. Therefore, it is of no use. So, if there is no other prapancha, in case of Shukti Rupya, you cannot make ornaments. But Rupya, which is available in the market, you can make ornaments. So, Arthakriya Karitvam is there in the Adhika Sattaka Rupya. Nyuna Sattaka Rupya does not have Arthakriya Karitvam. And there is a corresponding Adhika Sattaka Rupya available. This is Purva Pakshi is setting the stage. As far as this prapancha is concerned, etat prapancha asadhya arthakriya karinaha prapanchantarasya. Another prapancha where arthakriya karitva sadhya siddhi is there. But there is no such prapancha greater than this prapancha, adhika sattaka, called paramarthika. And therefore, here only we do swa uchita artha kriya, whatever we want to get, whatever we want to put, etc., etc. So swa uchita artha kriya karitvasya artha kriya karino asya na mithyatvam. This doesn't have mithyatvam. Iti chet na. Swapna mayadav vyavichara. In swapna, arthakriya karitvam is, so where is the vyabhichara? See, vyabhichara is not in that what you see in swapna is not there in Jagrat. It will be there somewhere in some form. What you see in magic show, Maya means magic show, that also will be there somewhere in Jagrat. Vyabhichara is where? Vyabhichara is what is available in swapna. It has arthakriya karitvam and still there is mithyatvam. In Maya, in magic, it has arthakriya karitvam and yet it is mithya. Like that, this jagat can have artha kriya karitvam. It is not prayojaka of paramarthika sattva. Svochita artha kriya karitvasya paramarthika sattva aprayojakatvat. Svochita artha kriya karitvam is not guaranteeing paramarthika sattva. It is not necessarily saying it. Paramarthika sattva here means it is real, whatever it is. Arthakriya karitvam is not the prayojaka for that. Napi shrutyadi siddha utpatyadi matvam sattve tantra. And shrutyadi siddha utpatyadi matvam. If Shruti says tasmad vaya tasmad atmana akasha sambhuta akashad vayu vayoragni etc. etc. So that does not guarantee that it is satyam. Napi shrutyadi siddha utpatyadi matvam sattve tantram. Swapna prapancha vyabhicharat. In Swapna prapancha, utpatti is there of the padartha, but they are mithya. So, Jagrat Jagat also, Akasha, Akashad Vayu, Vayu Ragni, still everything can be mithya. What is the Shruti? Tasyapi, na tatra ratha, na ratha yoga, na panthano bhavanti, atha rathan, ratha yogan, pathasrajate, ityadi shrutya, utpatyadi pratipadanat. So, utpatti shruti is also not prayojaka for
Artha kriya karitvam.
Utpatti shruti is not prayojaka for
Paramarthik sattva.
Paramarthika sattva. Mandukya Karika in Vaitatya Prakarana, these shrutis are quoted. Abhavasya rathadinam shruyate nyaya purvakam. Atas ato Vaitatya tena praptam. The Dvitiya Panti is there. What is that? Vaitatyam tena vaipraptam ahuhu shrutya prakashit. Nacha kalpadi brahma ayogaha. No, kalpadya brahma ayogaha. Kalpadya is one shabda. Kalpantariya samskarasya tatra hetutvat. Then somebody says, okay, if there is Brahma right now, how did the Brahma sanskara come from? Because you are saying there is no real adhika sattaka prapancha. So we say Brahma is capable of producing adhyasa. So then he will ask Purvapakshi, for Brahma, you need samskara. Where did samskara come from? You say Purva Brahma. Purva Brahma, when did it happen? Say in this Janma or Purva Janma? So then, what about that Janma Brahma as a Purva Janma? So then he says, in this Kalpa, he also doesn't want to spend time in Purva. In this Janma, in this Kalpa, first time, Kalpa Adya Brahma Ayogaha, because there are no samskaras. Siddhanti said, no, not necessary. Why? Kalpantariya samskarasya tatra hetuta. In Purva Kalpa, sanskaras were gathered. Means you imagine from how many kalpas we are doing this. And still, many of us are not tired of this. You know, in children's class, if we ask, how many of you are tired of this world? Raise your hands. Then everyone will raise the hand. Children. Really, they just want to go and play. They are tired of you teaching them constantly. Right? So, like that, some students also, if I ask, how many of you are tired of this samsara? Samsara means in this class is in samsara or not? Yes, so they are tired of this. Okay. So kalpantariya samskara, but really we should feel that how many times I have gone through this. न च जन्मांतरीय संस्कारस्य कार्यजनकत्वे अति प्रसंगः. Janmantariya samskara. Somebody says if Janmantariya samskaras can do karya in this Janma, means Purva Janma samskara are capable of producing karya in this Janma. Then in Purva Janma, I had already studied so much. Why I have to start again from Ayun Rilik and Eco Yanchi and all? I should have gone much ahead. So, in that way, there will be Ati Prasanga, Purvapaksha says. Means if everybody continues from where they left, as far as samskaras are concerned, we already have so much knowledge in every Janma. Siddhanti said, Nacha. Iti Nacha Vacha. Nacha means Nacha Vacha. Why? Adrishtadi Vashena Vachid Udbodhe Api Anyatra Anudbodho Papattehe. Based on our Adrishta, somewhere Bodha is possible. Means some extraordinary talent or what they call as
Prodigy.
Prodigy. But Anyatra Anudbodha Upapatte. Anyatra that Udbodhanam Nimitta is not there. Because such Adrishta is not there. So they will be again going to little classes, all of that. So Janmantire samskara always will do Udbodhanam is not necessary. So then Bhagavan Sri Krishna said he will start from where he left. So then where? There is no such thing. In spiritual journey, he will start from where he left. In other words, that Shama, Dhamma, Vairagya, etc., their Udbodhaka nimittas will be present. That doesn't mean he doesn't have to learn other things. Other things he may have to learn. Only thing is the Vairagya, etc., will be there. And in some exceptional cases like Rishi Vamadeva, they don't have to hear even Mahavakya. Even that suddenly will express for them. But that is not the case for everybody. But you can see everybody doesn't have the Vairagya to leave things. So it is accumulated over Janma. Then after some time, means there is Purusha Prayatna. Person has to put forth effort to become serious, become committed that I am going to leave this. Then in this Janma, some of it works. Then in next Janma, you start with distaste for those things. Karyonneya dharmanam yatha karyam unnayanat. Anyatha jatasya stanyapanadau pravrittir nasyat. Anyatha. कार्य उन्नय धर्माणाम यथा कार्यम उन्नयनात्. Those things which have Karya Unnayanam means based on the effect. You do yatha karyam samskaranam unnayana. So you infer that some samskaras of this kind must be there based on what you see. Otherwise, anyatha, jatasya, a newborn baby is there. Stanyapana. So actually the child has the pravritti in stanyapana. In other words, the child has the samskara. Child doesn't mean only human baby. Whether it is calf, we see sometimes here walking. That calf doesn't know where the cow's udder is. So it looks here, there, and it finds. And then it has to put forth effort. So pravritti is required. Same is true for babies also. Mother will give the stan, breast, but the babies have to do the pravritti. That means there is some ishta sadhanata jnanam, because the pravartaka is always ishta sadhana. Ishta sadhanata, if it is not there, the child would not do. Now, how will he know ishta sadhanata at that stage where he is only few hours old? It is from purva samskara. So much so that if somebody takes away that ishta sadhana, baby will start crying. So that also he knows that there is a pratibandha now in ishta sadhana. This is from purva samskara. So certain samskaras Bhagavan has made sure everybody has. Like if somebody is born as monkey, the jumping samskaras, they are available. Monkey, they and then they come everything. अनु चैत्रेण मैत्रेय संस्कार अध्यासे अपि मैत्रस्य भ्रमादर्शनात् Chaitrena Maitre, this Purva Paksha asking or telling that Chaitra will do samskara adhyasa in Maitra. Means Chaitra thinks Maitra is seeing Sarpa, where is Rajju. Chaitra doesn't have anything better to do. This is what it means here. If somebody is thinking this person has adhyasa, not worrying about their own adhyasa, that person has adhyasa and that, you don't know what you are doing. You are wasting your life. Chaitrena Maitre Samskara Adhyase api, but Maitra doesn't see that Brahma. Maitra se Brahma Adarshana, because it is Adhyasta by Chaitra. So Purva Pakshi says, therefore, Jagat Brahma Hetu Samskarasya Sattvam Durvaram. So Jagat Brahma Hetu is Sattva Samskara. Samskarasya Sattvam. It should be real samskara. You are saying illusory jagat will produce illusory samskara, which will continue illusion in one kalpa after another, one life after another. He said this is not true. You need real. Real means vyavaharika real. Or it should be pramajanya. Sattvam here doesn't mean paramarthika sattvam. Sattva means in samskara there should be prama. Nacha svena adhyastat samskarat brahma. Then Siddhanti will say, it is anyana adhyasta samskara brahma, that will not produce bhranti. Then svena adhyastat samskarata. I myself should have the adhyasa. Means I should think it is not Rajju, it is Sarpa. Other fellow thinks that he sees Sarpa, not Rajju. That doesn't count. He said nacha, even that is not true. Why? भ्रमात् पूर्वं स्वस्य कार्यानुमेय संस्कार अध्यास नियम अभावात् इति चेत् भ्रमात् पूर्वं prior to brahma स्वस्य कार्य अनुमेय संस्कार अध्यास there is no such niyama abhavat, that it has to be only swasya karya anumeya samskar. So where is the vyabhichara in this? The drishtanta is given as, let's say parents have some adhyasa, right or wrong, whatever. It is instilled in children because they constantly hear those things. So if the parents think, some people are negative or bad, children also get those ideas. If the parents have learned this way, you see good in everybody, God in everybody. And children also will learn that way. So it doesn't have to be swasya karya anumeya samskara. It can be anyasya also. Iti chetna. Now first Siddhanti talks about the adhyasa part. Shukti, that you need to have real samskara. He says no. Shukti rupyasya kundala janakatvavat chaitradhyastha samskarasya maitra brahma janakatve api vanik vithistha rupyasya kunda janakatvavat swena adhyasthasya samskarasya piyadadi adhyasa janakatva upapattehe. Shukti rupyasya kundala ajanakatva. Shukti rupya cannot produce kundala. Kundala janakatvavat. Chaitradhyasya samskarasya maitra brahma ajanakatve api. Chaitradhyasya samskara is maitra brahma ajanaka. It is not capable of producing brahma for maitra. That is the case. Vanik vithistha rupasya. In the market where there is a shop in which there is silver, that silver is capable of producing kundala. They will have kunda janakatvam. Shukti rupya will have what?
Kundala Janaka.
Kundala janakatvam. Kundala janakatvavat swena adhyastasya samskarasya piyadadi adhyasa janakatva upavattehe. Swena adhyastasya samskarasya. One's own adhyasa, there is akasha, vayu, ityadi. Adhyasa janakatva upapattehe, it is possible. So swasya adhyasa samskara is there. This is one. Tat pratiti abhave api tad adhyasasya purvam sattvat kritsasyapi vyavaharika padarthasya ajnata sattva abhyupagamat. Tat pratiti abhave api. Even though I don't know all my samskaras, let us say, and I am not aware of the samskaras. So before adhyasa, if samskaras are not known, how am I doing the superimposition? So tat pratiti abhave api tad adhyasasya purvam sattva. Earlier that adhyasa had happened about the jagat, akasadi, akasha, vayu, utpatti, then they are there, etc. And purvam sattva means before I start knowing that there is akasha, akasha is already there, and akasha is superimposed in Brahma. Similarly, vayu, similarly agni, teja, agni, jal, prithvi. So adhyasa is already done before I even recognize that I have those samskaras of adhyasa. This point is clear. Yes or no? No. Before,
Swamiji, is it not true for everything? All adhyasa.
before, yes, it is true for everything that I don't have to know whether I have the samskaras for adhyasa or not. But certain adhyasa, only when I experience, then I will realize. For example, I may have samskaras for sarpa. I don't know. In Rajju, when I see sarpa, then I'll get frightened. So in Rajju, to do sarpa adhyasa, I have to do that work. But in Brahma, Akasha adhyasa, for that, I am not the nimitta, because I am already living in this world and suddenly everything is there. When I understand that this Akasha, Vayu, etc., they are adhyastha in Brahma, they are not Satya. Then only I realize. That's why the next word is Kritsasyapi Vyavaharika Padarthasya. The entire Vyavaharik Jagat is Ajnata Sattva Abhyupagamaya. It has Ajnata Sattva, not Jnataika Sattva. Jnataika Sattvam is Drishti Srishtivad. Here Srishti is already there before you. Vyavaharik Prapancha for most analysis is taken as Ajnata Sattva. That before you knew, it was already existing. Ajnata Kale api Sattva. Whereas Rajju Sarpa is Jnataika Sattva. Only when I know it is there, when I don't know, it is not there. So, Vyavaharik Jagat Adhyasa and their samskaras, they are there. I don't know. When I learn, then only I realize, oh, this is what it is. Nanu pratibhasika rupye त्रैकालिक निषेधस्य त्वन्मते व्यावहारिक रूप्य विषयत्ववत् in Shuktika there is pratibhasika rajata, pratibhasika rupya. When we say nedam rajatam, shuktiriyam nedam rajatam, we are doing nisheda of what?
अध्यस्त रूप्य
प्रातिभासिक रजत व्यावहारिकत्वेन सत्त्वम्
Pratibhasika rajata व्यावहारिक
व्यावहारिकत्वेन सत्त्वम् व्यावहारिकत्वेन सत्त्वम्
प्रातिभाषिक
प्रातिभासिकरजतं व्यावहारिकत्वेन ज्ञातम्
प्रातिभाषिक रजतम व्यावहारिकत्वेन ज्ञातम. Its nisheda is done. In other words, there is pratibhasika rajata. That anirvachaniya rajata utpatti is accepted. So, see now this line. Pratibhasika rupye traikalika nishedasya tanmate vyavaharika rupya vishayatva. According to you, Purva Pakshi is telling Vedanti, when you do Traikalika Nisheda, व्यावहारिक रूप्य विषयत्व ऑफ प्रातिभासिक रूप्य. प्रातिभासिक रूप्य व्यावहारिकत्वेन you do निषेध. This is your mata, tvanmate. Okay. So then in the same way, व्यावहारिकस्य जगतः पारमार्थिकत्वेन निषेध you have to do. से व्यावहारिक प्रपंचे अपि नेहनाना इति त्रैकालिक निषेधस्य. त्रैकालिक निषेध when we do, what we mean is there is no such thing. त्रैकालिक निषेधस्य पारमार्थिक प्रपंचांतर विषयता अवश्यम वाच्य. पारमार्थिक प्रपंचांतर पारमार्थिक प्रपंचांतर विषय तद विषयता will be there in that paramarthika prapancha. Avashyam vacha. It has to be there because it is similar. Some adhika sattaka vastu has to exist. Iti chet na, Siddhanti says. So last time when we discussed this, at that time the answer was given that pratibhasika vastu we are doing vyavaharikatvena nishedha. Means pratibhasika vastu, when it is understood as vyavaharika, that is not correct. We cannot do nishedha of vyavaharika because there is no vyavaharika vastu. We cannot do nishedha of pratibhasika because we accept that there is pratibhasika. Now here you see answer is slightly different. So that is what we considered as Vaiyadhikarana. Vaiyadhikaranya, that pratibhasik vastu, if it is there, and vyavaharik nishedha if you do, that is Vaiyadhikaranya. Ghata घटत्वेन अस्ति, घटो पटत्वेन नास्ति. This is Vaiyadhikaranya. So if Ghata is there in front of my eyes and somebody says, Bhutale Ghato Nasti. So Nayaik will say, Patatvena Ghato Nasti. This is just to twist. So Siddhanti says, same thing we are saying. Vyavaharikatvena pratibhasikatvam nasti. In the same way, paramarthikatvena vyavaharikatvam nasti. So now he says, Siddhanti says, Brahma Bada Vaiyadhikaranya apatena. But you cannot have Brahma and Bada of different adhikarana. Means one is vyavaharika, another is pratibhasika. That is not allowed. Apatena asya pakshasya anangikara parahatatvat. So this paksha is not accepted by all. That you say vyavaharikatvena pratibhasikatvam nasti, etc. Why? Because there is Vaiyadhikaranyam. अंगीकारे अपि व्यावहारिक निषेधे पारमार्थिक विषयत्वं न संभवति. If you do angikara, okay, that Brahmabada Vaiyadhikaranya, we will take it. So then in that case, vyavaharik prapancha nishedha will be paramarthikatvena. Paramarthikatvena vyavaharik nishedho, vyavaharik prapancho nasti. Just as we say, vyavaharikatvena pratibhasika rupyam nasti. Like that, paramarthikatvena vyavaharika prapancho nasti. That vyavaharik prapancha is not paramarthika. What you are seeing is the paramarthikatvam in this vyavaharika. That is the wrong idea. So then the question will come, if you are saying vyavaharika prapanchasya paramarthikatvena nishedha. Vyavaharik prapanchasya paramarthikatvena nishedha means vyavaharik prapanchasya paramarthika prapanchatvena nishedha. Where is paramarthika prapancha? In case of Shukti Rupya, Shukti Rupya is pratibhasika, Hatastha Rupya is Vyavaharika. So there is some such Vyavaharika Rupya. Therefore, you can say Pratibhasika Rupyasya Vyavaharika Rupyatvena Nisheda. But in Prapancha, there is no Paramarthika Prapancha. So how do you say Vyavaharika Prapanchasya Paramarthikatvena Nisheda? It is Apratita. Nobody has ever experienced such thing. Apratitasya Nisheda Ayoga. So what is not Pratita, you cannot do Nisheda. Pratitya saha adhyasa atirikta sambandha bhavena. And with that pratiti, adhyasa atirikta sambandha abhavena, paramarthike pratitatva abhavat. Pratiti of this jagat pratitya saha adhyasa atirikta sambandha. Let us say somebody say there is a greater jagat rather than Vyavaharik jagat. If you are experiencing it as drishya, then it will be mithya. If it is mithya, it has adhyasika sambandha. So as soon as there is pratiti as drishya, pratitya saha adhyasa atirikta sambandha abhava. Adhyasa sambandha alone will be there. Paramarthike pratititva abhava. And if it is a paramarthika, there is no pratiti. Because it is not drishya. If it is drishya, it has adhyasa sambandha. If it is not drishya, then how will you know there is paramarthik jagat or any other jagat? In other words, this jagat does not have any superior adhika sattaka jagat, based on which there are samskaras, then based on which there is continued adhyasa. And when you see that jagat, then this jagat will go. No. There is no such thing. So between Drishtanta and Darshtanta, some samya is there. But 100% similarity is not required. Rajju Sarpa or Shukti Rupya, they have Pratibhasika and Vyavaharika. Jagat, there is Vyavaharika, there is no Paramarthika. Next Tarka, Nanu. Pradhana Adhisthana Yoho Sadrishya Abhavat. Katham Adhyasa. Adhyasa requires Sadrishyam, Purvapakshi says. Between Pradhana and Adhisthana. So Pradhana here means this Brahma, Vyavaharik Jagat. You need some Sadrishyam. There is no Sadrishyam. What is Sadrishyam?
Similarity to.
Who gave the answer? What is Sadrishyam? Tad vinnatve sati tadgata bhuyo dharmavatvam sadrishyam. अथ निर्गुणयोरपि गुणयोः सादृश्यवत्. निर्गुणयोः गुणयोः गुण, are they saguna or nirguna?
Guna is nirguna.
Nirguna. Why?
Gune guna anangikarat.
Gune gunanangikarat. So if you say there is sadrishyam in guna, one drashtanta is given in Brahma Sutra, the ketaki pushpagandha is like sarpagandha. The smell of a flower, particular flower, ketaki flower, and smell of snake is same. You see how there is sadrishyam in Gandha. Gandha itself is guna. In that there is sadrishyam. So that's why he says, Atha nirgunayoho api gunayoho sadrishyavat. Atrapi kinchit sadrishyam bhavishyati. Here also there could be some sadrishya. Tanna, Purvapakshi says. Nirdharma ke brahmani tasya api adhyasa adhinatvena anyanya ashraya. In nirdharma ka brahma, if there is sadrishyam, something similar to Brahma, for that you need adhyasa. For adhyasa, you need sadrishya. Purvapakshi said adhyasa requires sadrishyam. Siddhanti says, for sadrishya, first you have to superimpose that sadrishya in Brahma. Then only you can, because Brahma has nothing. So adhyasa requires sadrishyam, sadrishya requires adhyasa. What is the dosha? Anyanya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.